Hello everyone! Today, we're going to learn how to record video on your Sony A6500. Let's dive in. Step 1. Prepare your camera first. Ensure that your Sony A6500 is charged and ready to go. Insert a fully charged battery and an SD card with enough free space to record video. Step 2. Set the camera to video mode turn on your camera, using the power switch located on the top right of the camera. Next, rotate the mode dial, also on the top of the camera, to the movie camera icon to switch to video mode. Step 3. Adjust the video settings. Press the menu button to enter the menu settings. Navigate to the camera icon in the menu and go to the Movie 1 tab. Here, you can adjust various settings such as file format and frame rate according to your needs. Use the control wheel on the back of the camera to navigate and select your desired settings. Step 4. Select the focus mode. Still in the menu, switch to the Camera Settings 2 tab, then scroll down to Focus Mode. Choose a focus mode that suits your recording situation. For videos, Continuous AF is commonly recommended as it allows the camera to continuously adjust focus while recording. Step 5. Frame your shot. Close the menu and return to the live view on your camera's LCD screen or viewfinder. Adjust your camera's position or the lens zoom to frame your shot according to your preference. Step 6. Start recording. To start recording, simply press the movie record button located on the right edge of the camera body, near the thumb rest. This button is specifically designed for starting and stopping video recordings. Press it once to start. You will see a red record icon appear on the screen, indicating that recording has begun. Step 7. Stop recording. When you are finished recording, press the movie record button again to stop the recording. The red record icon will disappear, indicating that the recording has stopped. And just like that, you've successfully recorded a video with your Sony A6500.